What's happening, everybody? Big T here for another card opening. Today we got Inteleon V-Box. We got a Pokéball and one of these little mini tins. Alright, we'll get into this mini tin first. Alright, we've got Raikou, I believe that is. Alright. We got Sword and Shield base and the Evolutions pack. We got a code card. Water Energy, Drizzle, Bisharp, Evolution Incense, Sinistea, Maractus, Pikachu, Galarian Meowth, Sizzlipede. The reverse is Roselia, and the rare is a Galarian Obstagoon holographic. Alright. Evolutions. You got a code card. Full Heal, Poliwhirl, Pidgeot Spirit Link, Seal, Nidoran, Ponyta, Doduo, Pikachu. The reverse is a Doduo, and the rare is a Dugong, non-holographic. Okay, we'll get into this Pokeball next. A bit easier than normal. Alright. So we got, what do we got here? A coin there. Sun and Moon base. Sun and Moon Burning Shadows. And the Evolutions. Alright. We got a code card. Water Energy, Steenie, Big Malsada, Hypno, Caterpie, Skarmory, Morlul, Chinchou, Cutiefly. The reverse is a Torkoal, and the rare is a Bruxish, non-holographic. Burning Shadows. Got a code card. Leaf Energy, Arcelero, Gloom, Seviper, Pansage, Esper, Sock, Noibat, Stuffle. The reverse is a Dusclops, and the rare is a Malamar, non-holographic. You got a code card. Devolution Spray, Pokedex, Porygon, Rattata, Weedle, Voltorb, Poliwag, Ghastly. Reverse is a Metapod, and the rare is a Farfetch'd. Okay. This Gallery Partners Inteleon V. Maybe. There we go. Got a code card there. see. The Inteleon V promo card there. Then we got the big boy. Alright, then we got 2 Sword and Shield base, a Cosmic Eclipse, and an XY Evolutions. Alright, go ahead and get these Sword and Shield base out of the way first. We got a code card. Leaf Energy, Aurora Energy, Ferrothorn, Crushing Hammer, Cottony, Scorbunny, Silicobra, Yamper, Grookey. The reverse is a Sizzlipede, and the rare is a Drampa, non-holographic. Another Sword and Shield base. Got a code card. Psychic Energy, Thwackey, Palpad, Citrus Berry, Snom, Grookey, Shelder, Mawile, Galarian Ponyta. Reverse is a Hitmonchan, and the rare is a Ninetales, non-holographic. Right. Evolutions. Code card. The Porygon, Devolution Spray, Nidorino, Magikarp, Lightning Energy, Caterpie, Ghastly, Diglett. The reverse is a Pikachu, and the rare is a Beedrill. Okay. Cosmic Eclipse. Code card, alright. We have a Dark Energy, Island Challenge Amulet, Corellia, Roller Skater, Flabebe, Tangela, Duskull, Timple, Piplup. The reverse is a Coughing, and the rare is a Blacephalon, Old Ultra Beast. Okay. So, not much today. We just had this Blacephalon and the Galarian Obstagoon for the bowls. The rares are there. Only 2 hollows. Can't win them all, though. Alright. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you next time.